Hey, welcome to the AirGuard station. I'm going to show you how to install your new AirGuard LT. It's very simple. Let me show you. First, you want to pull the bag out. Okay. I prefer if you try to set it up sitting down. It's very easy when you're sitting down. So take the plastic off. It comes with the plastic, so you have to make sure you pull it off real nicely. Okay. Just pull it off. Also, is plastic on the back. I already peeled this one off a little bit earlier. So what you first want to do is warm up the plastic a little bit by bending it. Once you warm the plastic up, then you want to bend it a little bit over here, just a little bit. Once that's bent, then you want to slide it into the little opening. And then you pull this back like so. And now you have the AirGuard. A one-piece structure. Very simple. Thanks for tuning in.